Actually, my husband, he is starting his job from the 14th of July in Mercy Hospital. So we were very lucky enough to get a house 2 to 3 weeks before his job is starting, because now we will be able to move there, get a little bit know-how about the town, and he can start his job quite efficiently. Hi, I'm Eamon. I recently got successful in getting a house in Cork from HomeHack, and actually my husband, he is starting his job from the 14th of July in Mercy Hospital. So we were very lucky enough to get a house 2 to 3 weeks before his job is starting, because now we will be able to move there, get a little bit know-how about the town, and he can start his job quite efficiently. So I just wanted to tell about the journey that I started searching for homes in the mid of April, I think, and a month and a half passed. I had no luck. Nobody even replied to me. I was in so much hopelessness. And then one of Muhammad's friend, he recommended us of HomeHack that this person would find you a house and just don't worry. And then we talked to Pat. Talking to him was such a relief. He guided us so well, and he also was so considerate, and he listened to us. And also I would like to tell something, that when you are new in a country like Ireland, there is so much of housing crisis. It's a lot of stress, but talking to Pat was such a relief. Then after 2 or 3 days, I received a call from one of the employees of HomeHack, Valerie. He always listened to me with so much consideration, and she listened to all my problems, and eventually she literally was successful in finding me a house that suited all my needs. All the schools, the daycares, and the grocery store, and everything is near to the house. It's a 10-minute walk from everything, to the bus stop, to the train station. And I think this is what we see the most in getting a house, that all of these basic necessities are near. And I would also like to thank my landlady, Energy, considered my HomeHack CV, and she found us quite suitable tenants to take care of our house. And setting a CV on HomeHack was also quite easy. It was very well guided, and there was no problem at all. We set up our CV, and it was such a time saver also, because if we also wanted to put our inquiries other than HomeHack, we just used to add our HomeHack code, and that's it. But HomeHack people, they managed to find us a house in which suited our rent range, our requirements, and everything. So I would recommend HomeHack to everyone. If you want to get stress-free in finding a house, just go and put your CV on HomeHack. Talk to Pat, talk to the employees whom they assign you, and then you'll be out of worry or stress. Thank you, HomeHack.